How much time are you spending every single week trying to get better? If you're not trying to get better, the odds are you're not really getting better. Of course, you're getting better at your work by just doing it. And maybe you have a great colleague that is coaching you, or maybe you have a mentor, maybe you have, other things going on. But I guarantee you, if you consciously schedule time for learning every single week, you will just grow so much faster. You will learn faster. You will become more skilled and hence more valuable. You'll make more money. You'll become more attractive for your employer or future employers. All that good stuff. The problem is when you look at your weekly to-do list, think about what you're going to do this week, what you did last week. How often is learning on your to-do list? Probably never, right? And it's the first thing to go as soon as things get hectic, which again is short-sighted because basically you stop investing in the future. We're so busy driving, we have no time to put fuel in our car. But that the fuel of knowledge fuels your career, right? So what I recommend is that you budget, 2 hours. 2 hours is what I see is most common around individuals that grow really fast. 2 hours a week. You schedule, put it on your calendar. Let's say Friday afternoon, after you eat that big juicy burger, and you can't do any work anyway. So from let's say 1 to 3 p.m., you just learn. You read a book, you watch a video course, you whatever ways there are. You listen to a podcast, and if your boss is like, hey, what are you wasting your time for? Do some work, send some emails. It's like, well, wouldn't you want me to get better at what I do and then hence, be more valuable person for the company? I think everybody in your company should do at least 2 hours a week. Imagine what would happen to the results of your company or your marketing team if every single person in your team would dedicate 2 hours a week to learning. So everybody collectively is getting better and better and better over the course of a year. And a year is a really short time if you consider a 20 or 30-year career. In 1 year, you can exponentially increase your hard skills, your knowledge, also soft skills, or whatever you're into. So dedicate time to learning, put it on your calendar, and see what happens.